Hi, I'm Amir. Today, we're at Jam, and we're going to ask people if they know about hand-shelled eggs and liquid eggs. So come join me. So have you heard of liquid eggs?
Liquid eggs? No. No, I haven't yet.
Never heard of it.
No.
Yes. Have you heard of liquid eggs before?
I have.
Yes, I heard before.
I think it's another form of substitute of an egg.
It comes from like not real eggs.
They're from like hen shells.
I know that they pack it up, and if you need it, you can go and buy, and then you can use it for most items that you cook.
比较容易准备哦，跟不需要去打，也不需要担心那些蛋壳会裂去那个我们的pork pie。什么就是比较有 standard 啦 quality 啦。
How are liquid eggs produced? Hand-shelled eggs are checked and washed before production. Then, they are cracked, visually checked, filtered, and stored in chiller tanks. These eggs are pasteurized to destroy pathogens and viruses. The pasteurized liquid egg is packaged and chilled. The packaged liquid egg goes through quality checks. Well, we have some products here for you to taste. Then we will let you know which of these products are made from liquid eggs and which of these products are made from hand-shelled eggs. So did you know that these products were actually made from liquid egg?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I know.
Both products that you tasted were actually made from liquid egg.
Oh, you see?
Yeah. So were you able to taste the difference?
Totally have no difference.
So actually, the two products are using liquid egg.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, this product is actually made from liquid egg.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It tastes the same. It tastes the exact same.
Would you consider using liquid eggs in the future?
Sure, if I can find it in the supermarket.
After tasting it, why not? Yeah, because it just tastes like a normal fresh shake. Yeah. Yes, definitely.
Did you know liquid eggs are hand-shelled eggs processed into a different form? Since liquid eggs are made from fresh hand-shelled eggs, they are similar in taste, freshness, and nutrition. Liquid eggs are commonly found in our everyday favorite bakes, such as cakes and bread. Liquid eggs should be kept refrigerated at all times and should be consumed within 3 days of opening.